Muhammad Ghori was the ruler of Pakistan, Persia, Iraq, or Afghanistan? And the correct answer is Afghanistan. The political organization of Rajput was based on feudal system, democratic system, Rajpuri system, or none of these. And the correct answer is feudal system. The coats and vandals originally came from Germany, Hungary, Portugal, or Africa. And the correct answer is Germany. The Industrial Revolution was to begin first in England, Germany, France, or none of these. And the correct answer is England. Who founded the Khilji dynasty? Muhammad bin Qasim, Timur, Alauddin Khilji, or Jalaluddin Khilji? And the correct answer is Jalaluddin Khilji. The first partition of Bengal was carried out in 1905 by Lord Wellesley, Lord Dalhousie, Lord Curzon, or none of these. And the correct answer is Lord Curzon. Who was the father of Indian Railways? Lord Dalhousie, Lord Curzon, Lord Wellesley, or none of these. And the correct answer is Lord Dalhousie. The first Indian railway line was operated by the British from Calcutta to Mumbai, from Delhi to Mumbai, from Mumbai to Thane, or from Calcutta to Mumbai. And the correct answer is from Mumbai to Thane. The important event which took place in India in 1964 to 1965 was First Battle of Panipat, Battle of Plassey, Second Battle of Panipat, or Battle of Pakistan? And the correct answer is Battle of Pakistan. Richard Nixon resigned on 1972, 1975, 1974, or 1976? And the correct answer is 1974. Watch our other videos. Support us, like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell icon.